Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm here again with my another video lecture. This is about summary of chlamydia. After viewing this, chlamydia bacteria will be at your fingertips. So let's begin. Chlamydia species are obligate intracellular bacteria that cannot make ATP. The bacterial life cycle begins with an elementary bodies which infects a cell. Chemically, chlamydia invade and become intraepithelial, as epithelial cells are their main target. Once inside, chlamydia bacteria form reticulate bodies which replicate. Now, for learning how to diagnose these infections, first remember that the chlamydia cell wall lacks muramic acid. Therefore, it does not stain with gram stain. Rather, it can be visualized by Giemsa stain. Because the reticulate bodies in this infection create cytoplasmic inclusions with the infected epithelial cell. We can see inclusion bodies on microscope as well. Treatment for chlamydia infections start with azithromycin, and it is favorable because it is a one-time treatment. Another effective antibiotic is doxycycline. Thank you, Jazakallah khaira. That was all about today's video. If you have any queries regarding this topic, do comment in the comment section below. जो भी क्यूरीज हैं आपकी, आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हैं. अगर इस लेक्चर में कोई भी अमेंडमेंट्स करनी है तो भी आप मुझे बता दें. कोई चीज़ ऐड करनी है, कोई चीज़ आपको समझ नहीं आ रही तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में मैसेज करके बता दें. टिल देन अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.